Hi, it's Sarah from Sarah Ran Away with a Spoon. Happy Halloween. I'm here to offer up a contest I thought would be fun for Halloween. It's pretty easy. Basically, you need to cook with 3 ingredients. My secret ingredients for my Halloween challenge are Oreos, M&Ms, and pretzels. So you need to cook anything you choose, any recipe you want. Make sure it has an Oreo, an M&M, and a pretzel in it. And once you've done that, take a picture, send it by email to me with your name or a username if you don't want your first name on there, and your email address so I can contact you if you win. And I will post them on my social media, which are Facebook and Instagram. Recipes are due October 29th, and voting will take place October 30th and 31st. There will be a winner chosen by votes online, and the winner will receive a baked good, custom made by me, from me to you. I'll mail it out to you if I need to. Looking forward to your entries, and I hope this will be fun. This is open for kids and adults, and if you have any questions, be sure to email me. See you soon. Bye-bye.